Welcome back to Near Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the Atom, a fully functional LEGO keyboard by KBDCraft. This is much different than what I usually look at, so I'm pretty excited to check this out. Let's get it out of the box. First off, we have some included pre-looped linear switches and keycaps. Next are the LEGO pieces themselves for the case, and two small figures. Here is a coiled cable and plate-mounted stabilizers, building instructions, and in this bag is the PCB. Under it is plate foam, gaskets, our palm plate, and lastly the base pieces for the bottom of the board. Let's take a look at some specs. Atom is a gasket-mounted 60%. We are locked to a hot swap PCB and one layout, which includes arrow keys. This is compatible with QMK and VIA and does not have a daughter board. We are also locked to a palm plate and this milky white color. The base kit, including all components except switches and keycaps, will run you $60, and the full kit, including everything needed for the build, will run you $100. Here's the hot swap PCB. I'll add on plate foam, the palm plate, and the included plate-mounted stabilizers looped to 205 grade 0 and BDZ. Building the board is pretty easy, and detailed instructions are included. I'm really impressed with the design effort put into this, especially since this isn't even an official LEGO kit. The gaskets fit within the top pieces, which is pretty interesting. Since there's not really much to commentate on for now, I'll just stop talking for a bit and let you enjoy the build. With the case done, I wanted to add on GMK minimal, but it turns out the board utilizes a strange sized left shift. That means I can't use the average GMK set. So we'll have to use the keycaps included with the board. Let's take a listen.